everyone, it's your one and only sister AB Media. If you never subscribe, try and subscribe to my channel. It's your one and only sister AB Media. Subscribe and like. God bless you for waiting you guys are doing for me. Oh, without you guys I will never be here. Thank you so much for everything you guys are doing for me. Today I bring something that is bothering me. There's something I watch, I go across for one video. The lady is saying that guys, if you don't have money, don't know that you don't need to come and ask a girl out. If you don't have money, you know, go and do this one. If you don't have money, you don't need to come and do this one. My sisters, we are using our hand and cause problem that is disturbing us. So he say if a guy don't have money, that you is not going to follow the guy this unless the guy already make money. My dear, is why you people are doing mistake for marriage. I'm telling you, many of us, we are doing mistake for marriage. Do you know why? Because of longer throat of money. Longer throat of money make us to do a big mistake in our life, in our marriage. Many marriages now, it's because of mistake. This one we just want to marry this one because of pity marriage. Anything that will let you to marry, do a pity marriage, my sister, reject her. Or longer throat of money. It's why you people are doing yourself. Many of you guys, women, you're doing yourself. You marry the man because of money, because the man have money, he have company, he drive latest jeep, he do this. If you say God match you and someone that guy don't have money like that, but after you people can build yourself and be rich more. Because of you see someone is driving latest range, latest Lamborghini, you just want to follow this one have money, this one get money, or I won't follow this one have money. My dear sisters, no na dey calm down now. No na dey take am easy. This money wey they find. If anything happen for us, they no go carry this money follow us. So if they follow man because of money, you forget say the man fit get one kind baddest character. If you marry that man because of money, that man can do you something that you never expect in life. Now make some men they do now this thing, they do now anyhow. Because you don't respect yourself, you don't make shakara for a man. Do you know what you mean? A woman who's supposed to be proud. You know what we say? Before man will just, even though the man don't have money, but when you like someone, my dear, think, cool down. Everything is not about money in this life. Cool down and build yourself. Cool down and put your head down. So we come on social media, they be making mouth. I cannot follow somebody that don't have money. If you don't have money, I cannot follow you because you don't have money. I will not follow you. But my sister, inside them, they are dying for someone that don't even have 1 naira. They are dying for someone who don't have even 5 kush, even 5 coins. They are dying for that person. But they will come in social media, they will be making their mouth. They will be giving people wrong advice. While inside their own house, they are managing the one they have. They are managing. If you see the way they manage their man, where they get. If you say the man don't get 1 naira, and then they help the man self to do everything. But when they come outside, they will be making mouth, we are this, we are that. I cannot take somebody that don't have money. I cannot take somebody that don't even, it's not my class. My dear, which class you dey? No be that the same class that you dey, you see, you go dey pass like that. I been at that same class where you dey, even though you buy the latest motor, you think say another new motor no go come out. I be that latest cloth where you dey wear, that latest cloth where you say e dey rain now. You think say the one wey pass that latest cloth no go come out. What is wrong with you girls? Wetin dey happen sef? Wetin dey do now? More na dey take am suffer now. Some of them go come for social media and they will give people wrong advice. Wrong advice. I say I watched the video. The lady was talking. Hey, if he ask me out, if you know that you don't have money, that the guy asked him out. The guy went outside. The guy went outside. He don't have even 1 naira. He don't even have 10 naira. He just buy only this. She just only that meat 50 naira meat he buy for her. I was looking at her. 50 naira meat. 50 naira meat. Like say na you work the money give the person. You know that una no dey appreciate. Una no dey appreciate wetin una get. Wetin dey do una be say una eye where una no dey, where una no dey go dey hungry, where una dey where una no dey go dey hungry una. Na wetin dey kill una over eye like this. You no go work very hard for yourself. You dey find man wey go give you. Make dem dey give you. No be say dem no go try, man na man. But wey be say there are some certain things if the man try as a hand reach, make you no dey complain. And some of us wey be women, wetin dey cause all this our problems that some of us na bad friends. For me, wetin I believe is not about friends, is what you want to, the kind of friends that you go out with. If you want your friends to be ruining his house and be ruining your own. If I follow somebody, if I look that this one is not giving me a good advice, or me I dey jam, even for your front, me I go tell you, go call you, or if you come to me, maybe I want to see you, a long time I see you. I say, please, I don't want you to be my friend. I dey talk am, I dey tell you, I will tell you who her. If you want to be my friend, if you be my friend, if I see the way your character, I watch your character, you're not giving one advice, good advice for me, and I'm not learning anything good thing on you. No good thing I'm learning. I'll just tell you, my sister, I don't want you as my friend anymore. You'll be surprised because I tell you, I don't need you to be my friend. I don't need it. Because it cannot teach me something good. You will not teach me something nice. Sometimes I no go even mind you again. I can't call you, I can't talk to you. Even though if you call me, I will be dodging the call. Like, even though you call me, I say I'm very, very busy. If I pick the call, I'll tell you I'm very, very busy. I'll call you back. I will never call. Because you know why? I'm not seeing anything good thing. You get some friends where you follow, they'll be telling you their husband give them this, their husband give them that, their husband no give them all. The one with their husband get, they give them, then they manage them well. Oh. But they will come, they just want to spoil you, they just want to put fire for your family. And you yourself, you be mumu. Person go to tell you, you know, go manage the one where you and your husband they manage. I said, see the kind of advice the person is giving people. He's giving people. Everyone is watching it. He said that I cannot follow somebody that don't have money. He cannot spend in a woman. You take a woman out, you're buying meat 50 naira. Are you the person that work the money for the guy? Now the one where you get 9 provide. And some guys don't get sense now. Some of them have money, but they just want to know the kind of person you are. Let them see the kind of character you show. So they tell me now, if you man marry this kind of woman now, if the man pretends go and rent motor and marry her and put her in the house, tomorrow you will now see that this motor na bolo clothes where they use do wedding na bolo. Wetin the girl no go do? The girl go dey follow another man because the eye dey for material things. You forget say this clothes where you see, everyday clothes they come out, everyday new one, better ones, where even fine pass the one where you wear. The one wetin una get make dey reach una woman. The one wey una get, more una dey appreciate am. The little one wey una get, more una dey appreciate am. You get wetin be say e dey different, say the guy character no good, than wey be say they say because of money, the guy don't have money, the guy don't do this, the guy don't do that. My dear, all this life wey they live forget. All this life, it's not about now where they enjoy you, where your eye dey open, or where your head dey catch fire, but na old time. You go need a man beside you when you're getting old. That time you will be saying, you say I know. Even though there is no food, you and that your husband will stay together when una get old. Una go dey manage una sef. But our women, una eye too dey open too much. Some of them, they go come for social media, they give una bad advice wey dey say it's not good, it's not good. You go dey hear, this one, my husband, I can't take care of, that guy cannot even take care, that my boyfriend, he cannot do anything for me. See, your boyfriend cannot do this one for you, this one cannot do this one. Girl, more na dey get sense now. More na dey get sense. More na dey get sense. More na dey use una brain. Make somebody no dey give una bad advice. Make somebody no dey hear so something for somebody for your relationship. Some man like dem say in their relationship. They like those kind of things in their life. I don't know why. You understand me? Be very, very careful, women. Women, I'm talking about us. Be very extra careful. Know the kind of friend you're doing. Don't let anybody put mouth in your anything you're doing in life. If you, as far as you know what is good, do it. But don't do something that you say is good. Well, that thing is bad. Don't do it. Okay, guys? Be careful. Don't use because of longer truth. You will not end up somewhere bad. Be very, very careful in your life. Okay, guys? I love you. This is your girl, your one and only sister. Subscribe to my channel. I will bring another new topic again. Drop your comments down below. Thank you so much. Bye.